Introducing the Ford English Differential Rebuild Kit from Bearingkits.co.uk. The first Timken taper roller bearing shown is the Pinion Head Bearing. This fits up against the pinion teeth. The second Timken taper roller bearing pictured is the Pinion Tail Bearing. This fits up against the pinion oil seal. Sitting in between these two bearings is the Preload Collapsible Spacer or Crush Spacer. Crush this spacer to set preload on the pinion bearings. Also on the pinion is the pinion oil seal. This stops the oil leaking out of the differential and onto the road or your driveway. The smaller bearings are the differential side carrier bearings. There are two of them, near side and off side. Sealing it up is the high temperature gasket sitting between the axle casing and the differential housing. This gasket is thicker than the Ford one and is made of modern high temperature gasket material. This gasket thickness was invented by Colin Chapman for the Lotus 7s and Lotus Elans, and in my opinion, it is far superior than the very thin Ford one that leaks. All bearings in this kit are made by Timken and are original pieces, not poor quality copies from China or anywhere else. This English Diff rebuild kit from Bearingkits is the best investment you can make for your Ford English Differential. Instruction build figures are also included. Order now at Bearingkits.co.uk. Thanks for watching.